Our next step is to use the practice text document to help plan our slides. And the very first slide has got an instruction to the users telling them to push F5 to view the presentation. To begin, remove the text in the white slide area, drag in a new piece of text, and I can simply type in what I want it to say and resize it. Then I can scroll down into my mockup graphics and grab an image frame and resize it. Then go into the support files area and click on the press F5 PNG, tap F2, and then Control C to copy. Then go back into draw.io and Control V to paste, remembering to put in the .png at the end. You can adjust the label if you'd like, and then edit the slide so it says slide number 1. And we also need to change the title to F5 instruction. Next, select the slide design you just made and go Control C to copy, then Control V to paste, and move it along. Next, please go into the text document, select the title and copy, and you can use Control Shift V to paste in the title, and you can also paste in the text because that is going to appear on our slide. We do want to edit it so that it's larger, and we can then drag in some more text and make placeholders for the quote and instruction. As we're not using the image frame, I've moved it over to the side. And here's my plan for slide number 3. You'll notice that I've changed the special effects so that it says sound, and we're going to use the soft piano MP3. I've got space for 3 bullet points and the image, and I've also inserted a little play emoji, and when users click the emoji, the sound should play. As this is going to be the same for all of the slides that have sound, I'm going to add to my red box on the left-hand side, and there's what it looks like. If you want to make this box a little bit easier to read, what you can do is you can highlight the content, and then on the right-hand side, you can change it into a bulleted list, and once you've added the bullets, please carefully resize the box. The rest of this process is fairly straightforward. I'd simply choose to copy slide number 3, paste it, and I'm actually going to put it underneath. Then I can update the title, the sound, and the image that's going to play. And if you'd like to keep things a little bit interesting, instead of having things identical on each slide, you can edit the layout a little bit. So in this case, rather than having the image on the right-hand side every time, you can plan to alternate it with the left and the right, just so that things look a little bit nicer. And you need to pay close attention as you are creating this, because sometimes you might forget to change a title. So if you realize that you've copied, pasted, and not changed the title, please make sure that you go back and do it so that your slide titles match the text document.